Savana Products Review. Is it legit or a scam? So Savana is an online fashion retailer primarily serving the Indian market but headquartered in London. It sells clothing, accessories, bags, and jewelry, often marketed via the flashy sales events like the $1 charity deals. It also shows a high volume of reviews on Trustpilot. So what Savannah does well is it has a lot of products receive praise, and they have affordable fashion brands as well. And the competitive pricing with trendy designs is often appreciated by the users. So as you can see, they have a lot of responsive returns, and sometimes some reports highlight smooth return processing and an app-based tracking, including refunds on canceled orders. Although it may have some issues and complaints, so they have frequent delays, overselling and stock glitches. They also have refund and return hiccups, inconsistent customer support, and quality unevenness. So, in conclusion, is Savannah legit? Well, yes, the brand is real, the products are generally delivered, and many customers report good experiences.